Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to enable third-party cookies on Google Drive. So, guys, when you're trying to download something from Google Drive, so it show the error that please enable your third-party cookies, or if you're using the incognito mode, and if you're trying to download something, so it show the enable the third-party cookies. Okay, so how you can resolve it? So just open Chrome browser here. Just open your Chrome browser. Go to the setting, click on settings, so setting will be open. Okay, let it open first. Okay, so it is open now. So here you can see the option called security and privacy. Tap on it, and here you can see the cookies and other set data. So here you have to allow all cookies. Okay, and you can also is for okay, if you're trying to download from incognito mode, though maybe this option has tick mark, just untick it and allow all cookies. Click on all cookies. Okay, enable all cookies from here. Okay, okay, so you can allow the all cookies from here and try to download or access your file. I just make it default as so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.